Meaning of dryer.
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 Dryer. A dryer is a machine used to remove moisture from wet materials or clothing. The process involves hot air blowing over the damp material, which then evaporates the water content. The resulting dryness makes the material more resilient and easier to handle, as it reduces the risk of mildew and mold growth. Many types of dryers are available for various tasks, from simple clothes dryers to industrial-scale machines that can handle large volumes of materials such as wood chips or agricultural commodities. Overall, a dryer is an essential tool for many businesses and households.